So, stock market, a great investment, and you're picking the right time to jump in. So,
Okay, great. Thank you, Kareem. So, yeah, any more questions for Kareem before we get into the? Uh, yeah. Say again. Oh yeah, as a signal. Yes, Kareem market analysis. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let me share my screen here. Okay. And as you all know, guys, that I sometimes put the live also on my YouTube channel. This is still under construction um, channel. Um, I'm just trying some few things out. But in case that you are driving or you are not very Discord live friendly, you can always tune into the YouTube and watch or listen to these live sessions from time to time. If you subscribe, you will get notifications. Okay, so let's see what happened yesterday. Yesterday's session was actually amazing. The price action was exactly as we predicted, and I'm gonna review what we predicted yesterday. Those are the green lines that we drew yesterday. We said that might go, this is QQQ, it might go up here and pull back. This is what happened in the beginning of the session. And then we said that might actually go to the next fib level and retrace, which actually happened by the mid of the session. We are still within the same Fibonacci levels that we have discussed yesterday. Nothing really changed. Just that today it's a little bit. It's going to be a little bit different because we have been we have been in two sessions now making higher lows. As you can see here, these are all higher lows, and we are making higher highs as well, uh, like that. Okay, so by joining those two lines here, we get this kind of an intersection at this level, which happens to be a Fibonacci level as well. If this level is broken today, okay, and that's what I expect that today's scenarios. So if we broke this level today, we already broke it in the pre-market, kind of. If we broke and retest this level, okay, this will give us a chance to go all the way here. And by going here, we might be officially reversed from that bearish trend. And we are set up to go further up to this level. So we have to watch and see what's going to happen here today. So this is like the big picture here on QQQ, and I hope that this makes sense for you guys. For the guys on YouTube, we have this also live on Discord, so you can PM me for membership details if you want to join our community and be able to ask questions. So Yeah, this is for QQQ, for SPY. Again, what we expected yesterday also happened yesterday. It's a typical ideal price action. We said it's going to go up here and reverse. This is what happened also in the beginning of the session. And then we got back here. So the white lines are the same. I mean, exactly what we illustrated yesterday. I'm just going to delete them to avoid confusion. And we will see what do we have today. Very similar to QQQ. We have um, higher lows and higher highs. This, like this. I wouldn't put it this way. We do have a gap here, which is kind of a concerning a little bit, that gap. I expect that we will fill this gap anytime. I don't know when, but this gap should be filled. And also we are having some kind of a, I wouldn't say it's also higher highs, but I think the QQ was cleaner in the sense like this is not as clean as the QQQ setup. But the bottom line is we do have here a very interesting intersection between this box that I drew like yesterday before market, and you can see that the price action is respecting those lines that I drew here. So this range here, or this zone, is a supply zone. So we expect some kind of a resistance. It also aligns with that down trend line and with the ceiling of this range. So this is again a very interesting zone for SPY. If this zone got broken today, we got broken and retested. We're set up to go to the next level. Okay, and we definitely expect some consolidation here before going to the next one. Now, my expectations for today is that today we will have also, in my opinion, we might have a green day when it comes to buying. And the reason is that Oracle yesterday actually made this big move. So this might actually help the market to recover a little bit from the selling happened the week period. For people who are following my trades on Discord, I already entered an earning play, which should be winning big. The maximum profit was, I think, $833 with an entry of $164, which is almost, I would say, 5 to 6x. So I'm looking forward to close this as soon as possible. The Academy members already have got the explanation of this play and how they can apply it. Of course, if you have any questions, you can directly ask me about it. So I also noticed that that NVIDIA, and we talked about NVIDIA yesterday. These are the lines that we left yesterday here, and we said that if we broke this trend line, which was yesterday, right, we are gonna set up for higher. As you can see, this white arrow was actually drawn yesterday, so we already broke that line and we went up. Okay, so now the way it looks is that we are kindly grinding up. I would say that we have fully recovered from this bearish trend here, and I would say that probably we reversed back to bullish on Nvidia. So I think we are set up to go higher. The trade idea that I also posted over the weekend was that if we lost 102, 102 held very nicely, 104 held, 105 held. So right now we are set up for more on the upside. We only have to clear this resistance here, which is at 109. This is what we need to clear. Once this is cleared, I think we can go up. So today I'm willing to take longs for Nvidia. But the area that I would like to take it is that if we pulled back to this trend line, to this area, this is going to be the optimum entry for me. It's really a hard decision because sometimes you plan your best entry, but the price doesn't give you that entry. So you are left up with either you chase or you wait for the second one. And honestly speaking, I would rather wait for the next one over chasing a trade, because right now I know, and you now know as well, that we are heading towards resistance here. So the chances of getting rejection at this level are fairly higher than actually penetrating that whole range and jumping. Or I'm not saying it might not happen. I'm just saying the chances. We're always working with probability theory. We're working with the odds. So the odds of us getting rejected at least at the beginning of the session or maybe midday is higher than a straight up price action. So I would wait. There are multiple entries for this play. We can, this is the optimum one, to be honest with you, because this is going to be at the bottom of that trend, giving you the trend line, giving you the optimum entry. So I'm going to actually expand this a little bit because over time you might be able to watch that. And guys, I want you to, if you're watching this whether on YouTube or Discord, you can do the same on your chart, and you can use the alerting service from TradingView if you would like to alert. Like this is also a good entry here at this level if we couldn't achieve it earlier. Yeah, so this is about Nvidia. And obviously, if Nvidia broke this level, okay, this is gonna mean that the entire market will rally again. And the reason is this level was challenging for Nvidia for quite some time. So we can see that we have got here a rejection, we got here a rejection, and another rejection, couple of rejections here. So this is really a critical level for Nvidia, and the market will follow, because Nvidia was the reason that the market actually was in a sell-off mode in the last few weeks. So so this is actually a zoom out of the situation. Nvidia recovered in the last 2-3 sessions, but we are now at this critical level. If we got rejected one time or two times here at this level again, you should expect another leg down. So let's watch this very carefully. And as I said, although that I'm really excited and anticipating higher levels for Nvidia, but this is on a medium to long term. I'm not sure whether this recovery will happen in the next couple of days or even this week. So let's be clear about the expectations. So a quick review of, we have 3 minutes to go. So we have also PG. We opened PG yesterday. Still at almost the same level that we opened, I would say. We want this level to hold here. Might open at negative today, but I think that is if this level actually held, we might continue going up. This is a swing, so let's give it some time. I know some people. I'm still holding LCID, and I don't know. LCID is in a very strange state right now. It typically it goes up in pre-market, and then once the market opens, it just starts to dump. This happened like a few times. One time here, second time here, and third time here. I don't know what's going on here, but let's see. I mean, let's see what's going to happen with this one. Amazon was up big time yesterday. Where's Amazon? I think we collected profit on that one already. What do we have? So, any questions from the audience here before the market starts? Anybody is stuck in a trade and wanna get update on it? Well, yeah, Oracle. I mean, yeah, here we go, Oracle. So I'm gonna tell you actually how much I'm gonna get. It's actually still updating, but I mean obviously it's going to be in a good place, right? But this is actually the 1 hour, so let's go to the 5 minutes. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. I'm interested to see what NVIDIA is going to do, to be honest. So let's zoom in. Okay, as we can see, we are still contesting this level, and this is what we expect, right? Now, it really depends on how strong is this buying pressure, and it's doing exactly what expected it to do. It's going to go up, and somebody would ask me, why don't we just, since we know that it's going to go up, why just we don't take like calls at the bell? And the answer is that the prices of the calls in the beginning of the day is going to be very much unstable and fluctuating, and you don't know what's going to happen. So you can only get into this as a market order, and really it's very unpredictable. It's very, very risky to go with something at exactly the market bell. So now I need to wait and see what's going to happen in this level. Now I wouldn't expect that this is going to shoot up above this level. It has to cool down a little bit. let's see what others are doing. They're doing very similar here, but definitely it looks like a bullish day. Again, let's remember our lines. This is our expectations. This is our guidance throughout the day. So we want to retest that trend line. So we broke it, and I'm sure that we broke it on everything, right? Because they all have similar components and they will all react in very similar way. So SPY is actually in the middle of the range here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See, this is exactly why we don't just get into the calls when the market opens. We need to be patient to see what's going to happen. Some people might have entered here already. Those poor guys. Now it's flipping on them. That range is the critical range for NVIDIA, and it's going to affect the entire market. Oh, let's go and see PG. PG is actually 44%. Yay! Yay! Okay, I was just saying, okay, let's trim this, guys. Who got PG with me? PG was, yeah, take your profits. Congratulations. Congratulations. So I was just telling you before the market, guys, we are still holding this level. We are possibly going up. So that's a big win here, actually, guys. That's a big win. Oh, you bought more than one? Oh, great. Yeah, of course, of course. Actually, now it is 65%. Well, I mean, a green is a green. That's okay. That's 65. Yeah, no, it's it's a good trade. I'm glad that you guys are capitalizing on this. Congratulations. Now, oh, wow, that's cool. Okay, so I expect it's gonna start going down from here anyway. I had 10 contracts, so I'm gonna close my contracts now. Oh, PG, 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 yeah, PG. I'm gonna only leave one for fun as usual. Okay, so who's still holding? Oh, PLTR. I'm still holding PLTR is 113%. UPS is up. Somebody was asking me about UPS. It's actually 6% up. Actually, still, I mean, still up. Amazon is 48% up. Can you believe this? I'm gonna trim Amazon as well. Okay, let's see. So here's Amazon. So we actually trimmed at this big level here. So let's go back to Nvidia. I mean, this is a good start of the day. Oracle, my Oracle is actually went to 65 to 84%. 92 now. So almost 10%, but I'm gonna close here. So let me also, this is the probability spread thingy that I explained to you guys in the academy. We got 84% here. I'm closing that. Yeah, but with the it is, but with the EPS, it's controlled. Okay, let's go back to Nvidia. What did we say, guys? What did we say about not rushing into trades? I just told you, just a few minutes back, if we got rejected here, we have to go back. Now, I have to watch this level because I'm actually ready to get calls here on Nvidia. Let's get ready. Nvidia, I want to take calls if it came down to this level. So I would probably, I can go for 114 at 41 cents right now, but I'm gonna watch it, okay? Let's see how much we'll get it for this week. So again, and this is exclusive for you guys on Discord and YouTube. This is gonna be 41 for this week. 114. Okay. I'm just. Oh, come on. Go back here. I want it here actually. I want it here. Anyway, I think it's gonna be good to get it for like 35, 37 cents, something like that. So if you guys want to do like a buy order, you can do it this way. I already set mine at like 36, and if I miss it, I miss it. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. Just wait for 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna close it. Cancel the order. It's now 43 cents. Maybe you can get it for 40. I don't know. I just don't want to buy it high, to be honest with you, because I know it might come back and revisit this level, but also that level is considered a support level. So I told you what do you need to watch, guys. Okay, 114 for this week. You can go like if you want to go cheaper, you can go cheaper, and like you can go for 115 or 116. Just that the delta is gonna be different. Like we can go also for 115. I don't see any problem. The difference is not that big. I think actually 115 might be even better. Yeah, because the price is not that different, like it's not that big, but the delta is very close. Like the delta on this one is 16 and on this one is 12. So the difference is not big. But I just needed to cool down a little bit. Yes, I'm still waiting on the entry, to be honest with you. I'm still waiting on the entry. Again, guys, it's not, I want you to understand that it's not actually about the trading signals. You are getting signals all day. What we are doing here is that I'm trying to teach you how to think about taking trades, how to be patient, how to see the risk to reward ratio, right? Now, I know that at a certain point of time, it might get here to this level. I know that. And I know that also this level here is not a strong support level. Like I will prove it to you. Here is the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you don't see this support level at all. Okay, so this means this support level is weak on the 15 minutes. And here we go. So I'm expecting that this small green line here that you think it's going to be a support level, it's going to break. And here we go. It's going to go down. It is going down now. Okay, I want to take it here at that level. Now, if it broke down more, we can add, okay, or we can exit. I mean, nothing wrong if you have a setup and you have an expectation, you have a play, and it doesn't work out for you. That's okay. But the most important is that you have a play in mind and you execute it. This is how you trade. You have a plan and execute the plan. Just it's not random. It's not random. If it is random, we'll say it's random. We'll say, okay, let's gamble. You understand what I'm saying? So if we want to gamble, we gamble. Okay, let's put our money here and see how it will go. But now I have a setup. I need to either take it here or there. So for the 115th, I think it's fair to get it for like 27 cents or 26 cents even. Maybe lower. I don't know. Maybe 25 cents. See, just watch. Huh. And again, if we missed it, we missed it. That's fine. That's fine. We'll get something else. I am bullish today. From what I see, we're bullish. Just that we need to get the correct entry. Well, I mean, somebody will say, okay, why don't we just take it here since it's gonna go up again later? You can always do this. I mean, if the difference is gonna be like few bucks, that's fine. Like for example, it's 115 is 28 cents now. We can take it at 28 cents. I mean, difference is like gonna be like $3. That's fine. I'm just talking about optimum entry that we have. But I'm gonna leave this up to you guys. You see the play here. You see where ideally we should enter this. Okay, and you have the prices. So I think $26 or $27 for this option contract is a good price. I think I'm gonna take one here if it went to 27 on the 15. Okay, let's see what QQQ doing. So, as we can all see here, the same thing happened, right? We are still contesting this critical zone that we said that we are gonna test, right? I'm waiting for this retest here to see what's gonna happen. So if we if we retested this correctly, I mean, if this line held, that line here held, we are set up to go up to this level and then to that level. SPY is still in the zone. Okay. I mean, I think it's easy price action. I mean, everything is clear, at least for me. I don't know if I can explain this uh, in an easy to understand way or not, but NVIDIA, I still hope that I can get it for 27 cents. So yeah, I think we are done with Amazon. I think that I'm gonna set my stop loss above entry and just let it run. It's like 60% right now. Okay, I'm just gonna alert this for people who are following on other servers. Let me just keep NVIDIA up here. I'm so interested in NVIDIA today. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna be patient here. I got it. Got it at 25 cents. Got it at 25 cents. I got both of them actually. Okay. Told you guys, you're gonna come here. Now let's see if it's gonna go back or it's gonna break this to the downside. So if you got down 115, we are already 5% up because it's pulling back. Who got this in? Who got it? That's okay. That's okay. Let's wait. It's back to 27 now. It's back to 27. It's back to 27. Yeah. Again, this see it's now 28 cents, I think. And remember, this is for the end of the week, right? So we're still Tuesday. So don't panic. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 28 cents now, 10%. Okay, Kisha, that's 29 cents here for you. Yeah, I got, I got both of them. So 114 is actually at 40 cents now. The 115 is at 28 cents. So if you are not comfortable, you can close at 28 cents and re-enter back, or you can keep going. That's up to you. I think that I'm gonna keep it open. Yeah, you can close one at 28 cents and keep one open. I don't want you to spend a lot of money on this. Just set an order to close that at 28 cents. Don't go so big if your account is small, Kisha. Just set a selling order here, 28 cents. And I'm not alerting these guys. I'm not alerting those trades. Those 29 cents now. Congratulations for everybody. I told you guys, you have seen it in front of you. Told you, be patient, plan your trade, wait for entry, take the win. Just have this confidence. This is not a recorded session. This is a live session in front of you. Just have the plan. And yeah, so the one that you left, set a stop loss at 27 cents. Don't turn a green trade into red trade. Now I'm gonna close. I got 11 contacts here. I'm gonna actually close 10 of them and keep one. Actually, I'm gonna close only 5. You understand? If you got out on only $1 profit, it's still green. Remember this. Even only $1. I will take $1 a trade over a loss every single day. Remember this. And this is a learning experience for all of us. Okay. So before I go, guys, you have that YouTube if you want to get notifications, and you know what to do, right? So have a great day. Congratulations for everybody or everyone who took the trades since yesterday or this week was super green for us, guys. And here we go. This is NVIDIA. It's going to be more green. Okay. I think that we are heading again towards that range here, right? This is a huge resistance here. Huge resistance here at this level. But I expect this resistance to be broken. Not sure when. I'm not committing to this, but I hope that you learned something today, guys, about the technical analysis, and I hope that this is helpful. If it is helpful, leave me a comment or just share my YouTube channel. Here we go. Kisha, this is 32 cents for your second contract. Who else took this? Who else took this? Come on, guys, make my day. Okay, now everybody should be actually in profit. We are 30% up. Okay, we're 30% up. This is the beauty. Okay, great. Green is green, and we're gonna do these successful trades most of the time. But remember, we cannot avoid losses. We cannot avoid losses, guys. Anyway, love you all. Thank you very much. You know what to do. Okay. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
This is easy, just like riding a bike.